A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
Okay, today is Friday, July 10, about 3:38 p.m. And I'm going to log into my TD Amertitrade account because the stock market has been bumping, humping, making money, and I've been doing pretty well, and I just want to grab some of the profits because I don't know what's going to happen next. So it's not like I have some kind of secret communication that the stock market is going to fall. Actually, I hope it keeps rising. But I learned a long time ago, when you're making quick, fast money, it's good to take some of it. So what's going on is that the market has been on a tear like in the last 2 weeks. Why? I have no idea. But I'm going to get some of this loot. So I'm going to get some of my money now and not later. So let's log in. And we're going to go to my rollover IRA. So let's go to positions. And again, stock market is open. It's 3:39. It closes at 4 p.m. But I identified a couple of stocks that I want to sell and grab a little profit. So I want to show you guys how to sell a stock using TD Amertitrade. So first stock I want to sell is Apple. And since I bought Apple, I made over $15,000. It's up 55%. So I'm not going to just go line by line and tell you, how much profit I have. You guys can slow down this video and pause it and look. I'm just going to go straight to trading or actually selling what I want to sell. So the way I like to do it is I scroll up to the top. I go to trade. I click on stocks and ETF. And I go here to sell. And I put in my stock ticker. So let's do Apple. I go over here to quantity. And right here, it tells me how many shares I own. And the way you sell a stock is you put in how many shares you want to sell. So I want to sell 33 shares. So 33, I have sell. The company is Apple. And I'm just going to do a market. Again, you guys can Google the meanings of all this stuff, but you ain't got to be an expert. When you know you want to sell, you know you want to sell. So I want to sell whatever the price is when I click on it. And I suggest you guys do that since you're pretty new. Time in force. I can sell it in a day, or I can just sell it when the market closes. If I choose market on close, that means I go through the process, and then whatever the price is when the market closes, which is 4 o'clock, that's how much money I'll get when it sells. But I'm going to do day. Scroll down, review order. Time and force day. All this stuff. Tax, lot ID method. Don't worry about it. Special instructions. None. Routing, smart. All this stuff is predetermined by TD Amertitrade. I guess if I wanted to, I can go in, read more definitions, and change it. Estimated trade amount. So I'm pretty much going to take $16,000 out of my Apple stock. So let's go and click on place order. All right, here's my confirmation. So I'm going to go back in because I want to sell some more stuff. Okay, here I am just speeding up the clip because it's just repetitive of me selling stock. Okay, this is just a summary of all the stocks that I sold in my rollover IRA. And then in the next portion that's coming up will be my Roth IRA. My Roth account, let's go to positions just to look at what's in there. All right, there's a lot of stuff in there. So same thing, just different account. Okay, here I'm just speeding up the video. All I'm doing here is just selling more stocks like I told you guys I was going to do. And there's no need for you to keep looking at it because I already showed you how to buy stocks in TD Amertitrade. So let's keep it moving. All right, so let's count how many stocks did I sell today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's go back to my account, to positions. So I sold a lot of stock today, and I sold, well, I had some money there, but anyway, right now it's 42,000. So I'll be sitting on that 42,000, and I will jump back into the market whenever I feel like it. And maybe I might do it on a dip. So if the market dips, I might jump back in to find some deals. If the market doesn't dip and I just find a stock that I really like and I believe in and I believe it's going up, I'll buy that. And as you notice, I didn't sell any of my stocks completely because I still believe in all these companies. I just recognized that the market has been really, really hot. And I said, let me grab some of the profits. Typically, the market just, it doesn't go as fast as you've seen it go in the last 2 or 3 weeks. I mean, it's really, really, really been shooting up. Typically, the market kind of creeps up. So you get a little bit. Then the next day, a little bit. Then it might go down. And by the end of the year, maybe you're up. I think on average, the stock market is up maybe 8 or 9%. But if you buy a company and it shoots up, 40% in 2 weeks, that's typically not normal. So I'm grabbing some of that money. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned how to sell a stock. It's pretty easy. All you're doing is clicking on the icons, and hopefully I'll be making a video soon of me buying stock. All right, stocksandrentals.com. That's the place to be. And remember, always invest. Watch out for the next video. Thanks.